Did you know that Ireland has over 1,500 miles of coastline? That's more than the entire length of the US West Coast. Ireland's coastline is renowned for its breathtaking views, with rugged cliffs, hidden coves, and picturesque villages. The Emerald Isle's unique beauty has captivated visitors for centuries. From the wind-swept west coast to the gentle east coast, Ireland's shoreline is a treasure trove of natural wonders. The country's coastline is dotted with ancient castles, monasteries, and archaeological sites, adding a rich layer of history and culture to its stunning landscapes. Whether you're a nature lover, a history buff, or simply looking for a relaxing getaway, Ireland's coastline has something for everyone. As we explore Ireland's coastline, you'll discover why it's one of the most sought-after destinations in the world. With its untamed beauty, warm hospitality, and vibrant culture, Ireland's coastline is an unforgettable experience. With so many incredible spots to explore, choosing which coastal areas to visit can be overwhelming. I've been there too, faced with a map of Ireland's coastline, trying to decide which cliffs to climb, which beaches to relax on, and which villages to wander through. There are the iconic cliffs, like the Cliffs of Moher, which draw millions of visitors each year. Then there are the quieter spots, like the coves and inlets of the West Coast, where you can find peace and tranquility. And let's not forget the stunning islands, like the Aran Islands, with their unique culture and breathtaking landscapes. The challenge is real, but don't worry, I'm here to help. Over the next few minutes, I'll be sharing some of my favorite coastal spots, from the must-visit attractions to the hidden gems. From the Cliffs of Moher to the Giant's Causeway, Ireland's coastline is home to some of the most spectacular natural wonders in the world. The Cliffs of Moher, standing 702 feet tall, are a breathtaking sight. And when you visit, be sure to check out the nearby Liscanar Beach with its soft sand and crystal clear waters. The Giant's Causeway, on the other hand, is a fascinating geological formation with thousands of interlocking basalt columns. And if you're feeling adventurous, take a hike along the Wild Atlantic Way, which spans over 1,500 miles of coastline. The Wild Atlantic Way is a journey like no other, with its rugged cliffs, hidden beaches, and picturesque villages. Be sure to stop at the Cliffs of Kilmaconan in County Clare, with their stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean. As you drive along the Wild Atlantic Way, keep an eye out for the incredible wildlife, including dolphins, whales, and seabirds. And don't miss the chance to try some of Ireland's famous seafood, fresh from the ocean. One of the most stunning viewpoints on Ireland's coastline is the spot where the sun sets over the Cliffs of Moher. Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff, feeling the ocean breeze in your hair as the sun dips into the Atlantic. The sky turns pink, the sea glows golden, and the cliffs are bathed in a warm, golden light. It's a truly unforgettable experience, and one that will leave you with lifelong memories. As the sun sets, the coastline takes on a magical quality, with the fading light casting a mystical glow over the landscape. Whether you're a photographer, a nature lover, or simply someone who appreciates beauty, Ireland's coastline has something to offer. So, what are some of the key coastal locations that make Ireland's coastline so special? There are the Cliffs of Moher, the Giant's Causeway, and the Wild Atlantic Way, to name just a few. Each of these locations offers a unique experience, from the rugged beauty of the Cliffs of Moher to the fascinating geology of the Giant's Causeway. And let's not forget the charming villages and towns that dot the coastline, with their warm hospitality and vibrant culture. Ireland's coastline is a treasure trove of natural wonders, rich history, and vibrant culture. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or simply a chance to connect with nature, Ireland's coastline has something for everyone. If you've been inspired by Ireland's stunning coastline, I'd love to hear about your favorite coastal spots in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about Ireland, be sure to check out my other videos.